So I may be checking on my slime again. I had a little spill with it just a minute ago. It got on the couch, but I fixed it. I dried it up, so don't worry. Oh man, it's not too bad. I feel like this would be a tropical wave slime. Oof. Oof. If you're so mature now, I think it's time you grow up. I don't want to grow up. I still can't so I can make slime. Yeah. Anyways. You look at those, the big bubbles. And it looks like ooze all around when I put it on. See, it literally just goes around the bubbles. And then the ooze. What ooze am I thinking that this is? I feel like it's eye ooze. Yeah, that white stuff, like when your eye gets like stuck, cracked open, like with the white stuff in it. Oh, I saw that for Adley once. Ooh, the more ooze I put on it, the bigger the bubble gets. Yo, like literally, oh my god, it's controlling itself. Okay. Let's put all the slime on the medium. Like I'm literally trying to pop this. Okay, I popped it. It's time you grow up. Y'all, remember this slime is not too well, like I showed y'all. I think his is leaking. Oh my god, his is leaking. Oh my gosh. His is really good. The texture is like the best of his. But it's just really soapy because he put too much. I'm not giving up on my slime, y'all. I'm not giving up on it. Sorry, y'all, but I'm not. Just not. I don't like how it splits apart like that. Excuse me. Gosh. I'm going in the living room. Oh, okay, y'all. No, I'm holding y'all by the little thing. So, yeah. Sorry, it's upside down, isn't it? Okay. had this in this bowl for about 80 days. Maybe yesterday? Last night? Yeah. Is it not working? No, I'm actually about to give up. This is annoying. Like, what else could I do to it? Totally not my water, not more shampoo. It's gonna make it more soapier. Like my brother's. So what am I supposed to do? I'm mixing as fast as I can. Like literally. As fast as I can. No, it's not working. Okay, I'm just gonna try all the way. Can you please make slime? Yo, I'm just gonna put it in the fridge again. Bye.